Hi everyone, today I'll be recording the ego trace, that is the 12th one. Resist present moment. Ego always resists present moment. Ego is never happy with the present moment. In fact, the only thing ego do not want is the present moment. Anything present moment, ego never liked it. It goes to the past or it goes into the future. That's why in present moment ego feels dissatisfied. It feels uneasy and boredom. It feels anxiety. It feels restlessness. That's why present moment is ego's greatest enemy. When you have whatever you want, you think tomorrow if that happens, then I will be happy. When tomorrow comes, tomorrow always come in present moment. Tomorrow always come in the form of present moment. When tomorrow comes, present moment, again you postpone something else. Tomorrow then that happen, then I will be happy. You experience time in only present moment. You cannot experience any other way. Life is nothing but slides of present moment. The only way you experience life in present moment. Why not happy right now? Why not change relationship with time? This is how our relationship becomes with the time now. Keep postponing. Ego never wants. Ego's biggest enemy is present moment. That means life is all about present moment. Only when you experience life in present moment, that means that means you make whole life ego your enemy. Whole life goes being in dissatisfied and it is addictive. No matter what you have, you might have 10 times more than what you desire, but then also if the relationship with present moment is coming from the ego, then you still be dissatisfied. You will be still worried or something. So worried, pretend to be necessary, but serve no useful purpose. Remember this. Worry always pretend to be necessary, but serve no useful purpose. It will give you identity some sort. It is important to be worried. It is a ego trait. It is a healthy trait, but it's a ego trait. Something happened to your wife, parent, children or husband. You're so worried. When you care, you worry about them. It is ego trade. It is not serving any purpose. Same thing can be handled with calm, with, with clarity, with peacefully. Then you become addicted to worry because ego loves that. It hardens the ego. It hardens the shell of ego. You always be waiting for things to get better tomorrow. You never like the present moment. You always think tomorrow it will get better. You keep waiting. Your whole life goes in waiting, waiting. Waiting necessary means you want next moment, not this moment. The very word waiting means you want the next moment, not this moment. That means you resist with the present moment. That's why in meditation, you visualize, we feel as if happen now. Whatever you want to manifest, uh, feel it as if happen now. Why wait? That is the power we have as a human potential. The power of imagination, the power of emotionalization. Why wait? Why not take shortcut? Why not feel it now? Friends, don't wait for things to get better. Life always be complicated. Learn to be happy right now. Otherwise, you'll run out of time. If not now, then when? Now, now is a new later. Remember, today is the tomorrow that you dreamed about yesterday, right? Today was yesterday's tomorrow, and you dream that comes, then life will be amazing. Then everything will be great. When that comes, when today comes, again you think about tomorrow. Yesterday's today memory and tomorrow is today's dream. Embrace the present moment. Remember, every time you are resisting present moment that is coming from the ego, that's why when we talk about visualization, first thing, 4 pillars of visualization. The 4 pillar of manifestation is acceptance of present moment, gratitude, appreciation. You feel grateful for what you have, appreciation. So acceptance of the present moment is so important, and satisfaction, right? Acceptance of the present moment, gratitude, appreciation, and satisfaction, content. When you feel satisfied, accepting the present moment. Eager for more, not you feel lack. That's why you want more. In both situations, you want more, and there is a problem in wanting more. It is coming from what emotional state you are wanting from resisting the present moment, dissatisfaction from the present moment. That's why wanting, or very happy and very content and very thankful for present moment, but eager for more and excited for more. That is the right way. That's when manifestation becomes effortless, and that is coming from the right vibrations. Then you have a right vibrational, then universe plays the match game. Even if you don't want anything, universe will still give you, because it knows to give you match game. It only plays the match game if you are happy. You have what you have, then universe will give you more, so that you can be more happier for, and thankful for, and grateful for, and grateful about that. That's why one who knows enough is always will have enough. With that said, I'll conclude this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.